The following table lists the desirable body weights in pounds for men over age 25. How much more should a 6 foot 3 inch man weigh with a large frame than with a small frame? In order to answer this question, we'll first have to find out how much each type of man should weigh. So we start with the height 6 feet 3 inches and move across to the column that's the large frame and find that a man with a large frame of that height should weigh 204 pounds. Then we do the process again. We look for a 6 foot 3 inch man, this time with a small frame. We move across to the small frame column and circle 172. Now, since we're asked to find out how much more a man of this height with a large frame should weigh than a man with that height with a small frame, we subtract. We have 204 minus 172, and that gives us 32, and the unit is pounds. So a 6 foot 3 inch man with a large frame should weigh 32 pounds more than a 6 foot 3 inch man with a small frame.